The cutting production set supports the operator at the saw and helps with the labeling of parts. At the same time, this assistant optimizes the cutting patterns. This significantly reduces material consumption. The digital assistant for cutting to size can be used with sliding table saws and panel saws, regardless of type, age, and manufacturer. The cutting production set consists of different components. Included are 3 apps. IntelliDivide Cutting is the optimization software for cutting. The Production Assist Cutting is the digital assistant for manual cutting directly at the saw, and Material Manager controls the central material management. The Homog Cube, the intelligent control box, ensures interaction between the label printer, which is also included with the set, and the apps. To optimize a job, the operator starts the optimization software for cutting, the app IntelliDivide Cutting. For the optimization, a list of panel material and a part list for the order is required. These lists can be imported as Excel or CSV files from various different software systems, but it is also possible to enter the data manually. In the future, an API interface will also allow direct data import from other software solutions. The Material Manager gives an overview of the panel material. The panel materials used in the company are created here. The entered materials are then automatically available for optimization. Now, the operator starts the optimization. He is offered different options, such as optimization with minimum waste, shortest production time, or simplest handling. After selecting the appropriate solution, he sends the cutting job to the Production Assist Cutting app on the tablet at the saw. In the workshop, the operator selects the job he wants to process from various jobs and thereby gains access to the cutting patterns. The app suggests the selection of the first part to be sawn. If the operator decides on a different sequence in the cutting pattern, he can easily change it manually here. And then it's ready to start. The operator saws the workpiece and applies a label to it. The app guides the operator through the cutting pattern. If you do not want to process the cutting pattern workpiece by workpiece, you can also first produce only the strips to be processed and apply the labels afterwards once you've selected to print all corresponding labels at once. At the end, each workpiece has a unique label on it with the processing information for the subsequent machines: the order, the component name, information for the edge banding machine, the CNC machine, and for the assembly of the furniture. For example, the operator reads the necessary information on the edge banding machine manually for the edging material and can then process the part as required. Complete production data from the first process step, optimized cutting patterns, and this on every manual saw, regardless of type, age, and manufacturer. Thanks to the digital assistant, you are optimally equipped for the future.